Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding an origami cat loaf. It's made from an origami box, but I came up with the cat part. Okay, took me a few tries to figure out how to make this. So yeah, if you don't know what a cat loaf is, I have a video of what it looks like right here. Those of you that might not know, this is what we call a cat loaf. I don't know if it's an official term, but it's when cat tuck in their legs like this and sit just like this. That resembles a loaf of bread, right? Okay. And guys, please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So yeah, first you need a square sheet of paper, and you're gonna be making an origami box, right? So you want to fold it in half like this. It's already folded right there, and you want to fold it in half again like so. Then you want to unfold that. Then you want to bring all the corners to the center point right here, okay? Okay, and now you want to be folding this edge right here in thirds. So you want a 3x3 grid right here, okay? So bring this edge and fold this over, so this portion right here equals the same width as this portion right here is. So you want to make sure the center line lines up in the center of this piece right here, okay? So it doesn't have to be exact, but you want to make sure it's good enough, I guess. Okay. And now bring this side over. So lean against this edge and fold this over like that. So you can see in mine it's not exactly there, but I think it's good enough. Okay, then you want to unfold that. And now you want to bring this edge right here, this bottom edge, right onto this side crease line right here. Let's fold that right up like so, and lean against this edge and bring this top portion down, okay, like that, and make sure everything lines up and neat. Okay, then kind of unfold that corner right there, and now bring this portion up, okay, leaning against this edge right here. Okay, unfold all that, and now fold these two right here, crease line up, just like that, okay? And now you want to fold this corner out and also this corner out as well. And you see this edge right here, and also this edge, the center, and you see this 4 squares right here, and that side edge right there. You want to fold that inside like that. Okay. And now same thing on this side. So fold that edge in and fold this up as well. Okay, just like this. And now I'm going to be folding the head portion. So fold this, turn this down like that. And now you see this bottom edge right here. You want to fold that right up to this side edge right here. Okay, so you see this bottom edge. Yeah, this side edge and right up to this side edge as well. Okay, so this bottom edge, and fold that right up there. Okay, fold that edge out to the side, and same thing on this side as well. Okay, so you see this edge, this bottom edge, you want to fold that right up to this side edge right here. Okay, just like that. And this shouldn't cross over each other. And fold that down. Okay, and now fold this up like that. Okay, this long piece. Okay, so this is going to be the head part. And now you see this point right here, fold that right up to this bottom corner right here. Okay, so it should fit perfectly into that valley. Okay, just like that. And now you're gonna bring that point, and you see this crease line in the middle. You're gonna fold that kind of in thirds. Okay, so bring that a little bit up past that crease line, just like that, and fold the crease line down for the nose of the cat. Okay, and now you're going to make the ears. So bring this corners, you're going to zigzag fold these two corners, okay, to make the ears, of course, here. So don't make it exactly on that crease line, the center, but just make it so there's a little bit of room here, so the cat face is round. Okay, just like that. And you're going to make the tail part. So fold this up. Okay, and fold this in half. Just like that. And fold it off to the side. And fold this whole piece right here in half. So bring the top edge right down right down to the bottom. Okay, and fold it, curve it forward, like so. And you're gonna fold in this corner right here. Okay, so from the center line right there, right back to this corner right here. So fold this whole corner inside like that. Okay, and make it all round. So curve it out like that. And same thing on this side. So fold this corner inside. Okay. And round that up. And you see this back corner right here? You kind of want to press it down. Kind of, and round that up. Or you can leave that alone if you want. Okay, and here's my origami cat loaf. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.